I feel borders fence me in. There are dreams I need to draw, so my feet can hit the floor. This year I'll make the best of what I'm given. This year I'm gonna stand in instead of know again. We'll make the rules up as we go and break them as we go. This year I'll find a hand that I hold on to. This year I'll find a heart that I can say that I belong to. We'll make the rules up as we go, everywhere we go. Oh, anywhere we go. This new rhythm has a vision I can feel. I keep climbing up. I know freedom's always here. There are dreams I need to draw. They could be mine, they could be yours. This year I'll make the best of what I'm given. This year I'm gonna stand in instead of know again. We'll make the rules up as we go and break them as we go. This year I'll find a hand that I hold on to. This year I'll find a heart that I can say that I belong to. We'll make the rules up as we go, everywhere we go. Oh, anywhere we go. I'll dive into the deepest rivers, where everything is new to me, where nothing's what it used to be. Mistakes along the way will deliver. Follow them to where they lead, 'cause the risk is worth